Hey there, my name is Joner Perante. Today we're going to learn a simple but powerful algorithm on how to find all even number in an array using Python. Let's get started. So here we have an algorithm. Initialize an empty list events to store even numbers. Second, loop through each element num in R or array. If num is even, num modulo 2 is equal to 0, append it to events. 3. Return the list events. So let's break down step by step the algorithm. Initialize an empty list even numbers to store even numbers. Imagine we have an array like this: 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, and 18. So we're going to start an empty list events for even numbers. Let's check one by one the number to see if it's odd or even. Okay? 3. So it's an odd number, so we skip it. 6. Even, so we add it to the list. 9 is an odd number, so we skip it again. And 12 is an even number too. So we're going to add it to the list too. 18 is an even number, so we're going to add it on the list. So our final output is 6, 12, and 18. So let's go. We're going to discuss about time complexity analysis. The time and space complexity for the sample array is O(n). The time complexity of our approach is O(n), meaning it runs in linear time, efficient, and fast. We've already discussed time complexity, which is O(n), since we iterate through the array once. But what about space complexity? Our algorithm creates a new list, events, to store even numbers. In the worst case, when all numbers are even, the size of the list grows, with the input size leading to a space complexity of O(n). So both time and space complexity are O(n), which is still efficient for most applications. We have a Python code here. As we can see, we have a function in this line that defines find even numbers with a variable of array or R. In this line start with an empty list. This is where we are going to store the even numbers. And for this line also is the loop through each number. So this is the beginning of the loop. This line is where the condition that is going to check if the number is odd or even. If num modulo 2 is equal to 0 and if the number is odd or even, this line will execute and append the number to the list. And we have an example usage of the array, which we have earlier: 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, and 18. So this line is going to see the result is equal to find even numbers in the array. So this last line is going to print the even numbers result, which is the output 6, 12, and 18. And there you go. Running this code prints even numbers 6, 12, and 18. And that's how you find even numbers in an array. Pretty simple, right? If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more coding tutorials. See you next time. Bye!